On this video today, I'm going to show you a highly targeted free traffic source that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without investing anything and without any experience. This method is available worldwide, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you the best offer that you can promote and how you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate marketing network. There are many affiliate marketing networks that you can join. You can join Max Bounty, you can join Digis24, you can join ClickBank, you can join Warrior Plus. Any of the affiliate marketing networks that you want, you can join. In this case, I'm using Yaxin.com. Yaxin.com is one of the best affiliate marketing networks that you can find a lot of different brands and stores to promote. The best part is that when you earn money on Yaxin.com, you are going to be paid within 24 hours. You don't have to wait for some number of days. You don't have to wait for a certain minimum amount. Once you earn the money, you can cash it out the same day. That is the reason why I love this network. Now, what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can find brands and stores to promote on Yaxin.com. It is very simple to create an account, so all that you need to do is that you have to search for Yaxin.com. Once you search for it, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, enter your email address and then a password. Once you enter your email and password, you are going to get access to a free account that you can use to get brands and stores to promote. Now, once you create the accounts and login, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, brands and stores. Once you click on it, when you scroll down, you'll be able to find a lot of different brands and stores that you can promote to make money from home. As I scroll, you can see these are brands and stores that you can promote. The first one is Shein. Shein is one of the best brands that you can get a lot of different products to buy. So when you promote it and then get people to click on your affiliate link, once they purchase any product on Shein, you are going to be earning 15% of the price of the product. You can see it right here. The next one is Blue Apron. You can see you are going to be earning $70 per every sale that you get. So when you get people to buy the Blue Apron, you are going to be earning $70. That is the flat commission rate that you are going to be earning. You can see the next one right here. When you scroll down, there are many of them that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of different brands and stores that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. If you want, you can sort them by category so that you can get the best category that you want to find offers to promote. So for example, when you click right here, select category. Once you click on it, you can see these are the categories that you can click on to find a brand to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. So if you are interested in computers and accessories, once you click on it, you get a brand to promote. You can see clothing and apparel. Once you click on it, you get a brand that you can promote, and once people purchase the products through your affiliate link, you are going to be paid. There are many of them, so let me scroll down for you to see. You can see a whole lot of different categories that you can find brands and stores to promote. In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting a product under health and beauty. So click right here, health and beauty. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. When I scroll down, you can see these are health and beauty brands that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. These are health and beauty brands that you can promote. So what you have to do is that you have to select the one that you want so that you can promote it and then get people to purchase the products for you to earn a commission. In this case, I've already promoted one store, so I'm going to show you how you can also promote it to make money from home. So just scroll down and then search for focus. Just search for focus. Once you type focus, click right here, search, so that you can search for focus. Once you search for it, scroll down, you can see it right here, focus. You can see you're going to be earning $100 per every sale that you get. Focus is a fitness training website where you can get people to sign up for a fitness training, and you are going to be paid $100 per every new sign up that you get. So let me click on it for you to see. Once you click on it, you can see these are the details of the product. You can see it right here. You can see this is the amount that you are going to earn per every new person who signed up for the fitness training. You can see it right here. So that is the amount that you are going to earn. If you want to get more details about the product, all that you need to do is that you have to scroll down and then click right here, shop now. Once you click on it, you can be able to get a lot of different information about the product. So you can see these are the information about the product. Click on these three dotted lines. Once you click on it, you can select home. Once you click on it, you'll be able to find a whole lot of different things about the website. You can see it is a health and fitness training program that you can get people to join. As a school, you can see everything about the product. You can see these are testimonials about the product. When you scroll down, this is a video that you can watch so that you get some brief information about the program. You can see everything. Now once you are able to get more information about it, the next step is that you have to begin promoting it. So what you have to do is that you have to get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product so that you can be earning a commission of $100. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a highly targeted free traffic source that you can use to get people to sign up for the program so that you can be paid $100 per every new sign up that you get. The website that we are going to be using to drive traffic to our affiliate link is hallo.co.uk. Hallo.co.uk is one of the best classified websites that you can post your ad for free in the United Kingdom. And the best part is that they have a lot of different categories that you can select to post your ad. You can see these are ads that people have posted onto the platform. You can see, and you can see these are popular locations in the United Kingdom that you can target. You can see they have London, York. You can see a whole lot of different places in the United Kingdom that you can target. As a school, you can see a whole lot of different products that people have posted on the website. So if you want vehicles, all that you need to do is that you have to click right here. Once you click on it, you can get vehicles. If you want properties, click right here. Once you click on it, you'll be able to get properties. If you want other items, click on for sale. You can see jobs, services, events, pairs and partners. So anything that you want, you can post it on this website for free. Now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be selling an item. So what you have to do is that you have to come under the for sale category. So click on it. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to now select the specific category of offer that you are promoting. In this case, the product is about health and beauty. So what you have to do is that you have to set for health and beauty. You can see a whole lot of different categories. When you scroll down right here, you can see health and beauty. Click on it. That is the category that we are looking for. Once you click on health and fitness, you can see these are items that people have posted under the health and fitness. You can see a whole lot of different things and you can see the prices. Now what you have to do is that you have to also post your ad onto this platform so that you can get people to sign up for the program and you are going to be paid. To post an ad, you have to create an account. So click right here, my Hallo. Once you click on it, click on sign up so that you can enter your details and then get access to a free account. Now once you create your free accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post. Once you click on post, the next step is that you have to scroll down and then select the category. So come under the for sale category and then click on it. Once you click on it, select health and beauty. Once you select health and beauty, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to give a title to your ad. So type any title that you want. In this case, this is my title. You can see get access to a cheap one-on-one fitness training. This is my title. You can type any title that you want. Just type any catchy title that will get people to click on your ad and then purchase the product. Once you have your title, the next step is that you have to type a description. So you can come back on yaxen.com. Once you come back, you can see right here, this is the description of the offer. So you have to highlight everything and then copy it. Highlight and copy the description. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back on your ad and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see this is the logo of the program, so just leave it like this. Now once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see duration. So you have to select the duration of the program. You can select the duration that you want. Once that is done, you have to enter your email address, your phone number, and then the link to the offer. So what you have to do is that you have to paste our affiliate link right here. To get your affiliate link, come back on yaxen.com. This is your affiliate link. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste your affiliate link here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see right here, receive offers. You can select yes or no. In this case, no. Once that is done, payment, pay on collection. Just leave it like this. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter the price of the program. When you come back on the landing page of the product, if you scroll down, you'll be able to get the price of the product. So scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see this is the price of the product. What you have to do is that you have to come back and then enter the price here. So enter 176. Once you enter the price, the next step is that you have to scroll down. So just scroll down to the button. Once you scroll down to the button, you can see select location. So what you have to do is that you have to search for a UK postcode so that you can enter it right here. Now what you have to do is that you have to open a new tab. Once you open a new tab, search for fake UK address. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click on the first website so that you can be able to get a fake address. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Now you can see a fake address, so you can get a postal code. This is a postal code. So what you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see find. If you want, you can click on it so that you can find a location. You can see this is a location. You can see the location. When you come back on your fake address, you can see the location is correct. So when you come back, you can see the location is correct. Now once that is done, you have to enter your address. So if you want, you can enter your address or you can leave it. Let's go back on our fake address. Once you come back on your fake address, you can see this is the street address. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see product type. You can see body and bath. Click right here to select the product type. You can see a whole lot of different product type. You can see a whole lot of them. Select the right category. You can see select the right category. In this case, we are going to select body and bath. Just leave it at default. Once that is done, you can see condition new. Just leave it like that. It is new, so just leave it. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to add an image. You have to upload an image of the program that you are promoting. To get images of the program, come back on yaxin.com, copy the name of the program, highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, open a new tab and then paste it. Once you paste it, search for it. Once you search for it, select images. Once you search for images, you can see these are images of the offer. Right click on any of them that you want so that you can download it. You can see these are all images of the offer. Just right click and then download any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to download this image, so right click on it. Once you right click on it, select save image as. Once you select save image as, click on save so that the image can be saved. Once you save the image, the next step is that you have to come back, click on add image. Once you click on it, click right here so that you can upload the image. Once you click on it, select your image and then click on open. As you can see, that has been done. Once you upload the image, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, select. Once you click on select, the image has been selected. You can see this is the image. If you want, you can add more images. You can see right here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back. Once you come back on Google, download any of the images that you want. So for example, let's download this image right here. So right click on the image, select save image as. Once you click on it, save your image. Once you save it, you have to come back and then click right here, add image. Once you click on it, click on upload. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. Once that is done, click right here, select. Once you click on it, when you scroll down, you can see the image has been uploaded. So you can upload and use many images on your ad. Once that is done, you have to click right here, next. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. If you want to promote your ad, you can buy any of these promotional packages. You can see the different promotional packages and the price that you have to pay. You can see everything. In this case, we are not going to pay for anything. What we are going to be doing is that we are going to post it for free so that when we get people to purchase it, we can then purchase the premium packages. So just leave it and then select all of this, select all of this, select all of this. You can see you are not required to pay for any of these packages. So you have to select 3 of them. We have selected 2, so we have to add additional 2. Let me add this one right here, free delivery. Once that is, let me remove this one. Once that is done, just scroll down and then select the one that you want. Let me select this one right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you select your 3 tags, the next step is that you have to click on next. Once you click on next, you're going to see a page like this. You can see this is a preview of your ad. You can see it right here. you can see this is your affiliate link. So when people see your ad, they will click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product so that you can be making money. Now once you have seen the preview of your ad, the next step is that you have to go ahead and then publish it. To publish it, click right here, publish. Once you click on publish, you can see right here, thank you for posting a free advert, get access to, and then this is your title. You can see your reference number and the rest. So your ad has been posted onto the website. You are going to be getting people who live in the United Kingdom to purchase the program so that you can be making money. Most of the people who live in the United Kingdom have the purchasing power to buy the offer that you are promoting. So make sure you go back on yaxen.com, select a different offer and then promote it on this website. You can promote as many offers as you want on this website for free without paying for anything. The name of the website is hallo.co.uk. So search for hallo.co.uk. Once you search for it, you can follow the steps that I have shown you in this video so that you can be making money using this website for free. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.